In this video, we will be going over the course requirements. So ideally, you should have a basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You should also have a basic knowledge of the command line, Git, and GitHub. I will not be doing an in-depth tutorial on these things, so make sure you already know about these and have GitHub set up with SSH keys. Also, you should have some knowledge of React, Next.js, and SQL. That is recommended, but if you're not already familiar, then you should still be able to follow along this course. You should also have some knowledge of tree data structures and recursion, but if you're not familiar with that, then I'll be going over those things in detail.